It's Miss Kiki here, Cafe Commentary's official host. Here are 5 lifestyle hacks for better sleep. Stick to a sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps regulate your body's internal clock, circadian rhythm, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed. Limit blue light exposure. Blue light from screens suppresses melatonin production, the hormone responsible for sleep. Reducing screen time before bed helps your body naturally prepare for rest. Create a sleep sanctuary. A cool, dark, and quiet environment minimizes distractions and promotes deeper sleep by signaling your brain that it's time to rest. Avoid late-night stimulants. Caffeine, nicotine, and heavy meals can keep your body and mind active, making it harder to fall asleep or stay asleep throughout the night. Develop a wind-down routine. Engaging in relaxing activities like reading, journaling, or listening to calming music helps transition your body from wakefulness to sleep mode, improving sleep quality. Thanks for viewing this video. Don't forget to like and share. Also, visit us online at clubfortified.com to listen to Cafe Commentary with me, your official host. Remember to get the coffee of the month, one of our beautiful curated coffee mugs, and to download the delicious drink recipe of the month. Stay fortified.